We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. Got your model number and serial number right here. If you go to bradfordwhite.com and hit the register button, you get your warranty. You give them your contact information, serial number, and they'll get your warranty going on this. It's 6 years parts, 1 year labor. Excuse me. Up at the top, we give you a brand new shutoff valve here, 3/4 inch full port ball valve, so to turn it off and on, just off and on. And then all brass construction, Falcon stainless steel connectors down to brass extensions. Hot side, we just took the old supply line off and gave you a new connector. So these are the water lines that are important. The old ones, we never reuse those. This is the existing drain line. So what we did is we tied into that, which is fine. So that copper line goes inside the wall, down and out the side of the building. So if you ever have too much pressure and or temperature, this valve will pop off, water will drain out. And so this is a drain line only. There's never water in here. We've, over the last 30 years, we've rarely seen these fail, at least within the given lifespan. These will go 20, 25 years. Any further than that, then you could have trouble with these. But anyways, pressure temperature relief valve comes with the unit. Brand new vent pipe. The existing dual wall B vent in the attic was damaged. We had to get in there and re-sleeve it, get a piece of pipe in there. Took us a little bit extra time. Adjustable 90, little piece of pipe, another adjustable 90 down to the draft diverter. And so that's the top. Everything's tied in. Tank is full. It's not lit yet, but we'll light it in just a minute. Upper third, we've got adjustable straps. Lower third, adjustable straps. Brand new gas valve, brand new gas connector. And then we'll get the cover plate on here once we get it lit in just a minute. So anyways, get that warranty going on there. We are going to set this to 120 degrees. I usually document it with it running, but 120 is where you want to leave it. Please do not turn it up. You can see scalding risk increases with hotter water. I will take a static shot of this. We leave it at 120 for liability purposes. Anything A, B, C, very hot, you get scalded. So right there is fine for the whole house. Just leave it right there. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.